How can I reach to Chinese consumers? This has always been one of the most frequently asked questions. And if you have the same concern, this video is perfect for you. Because in this video, I'm going to go through the 6 most popular Chinese social media and e-commerce apps. For each of the apps, I'll be covering the fundamentals, the main features that can be utilized by marketers or business owners, and hopefully by the end of the video, you will find out which app is most suitable for your business. Let's get started. If you could only name one app from China, it has to be WeChat. According to the latest statistics, WeChat has over 1.27 billion monthly active users. In comparison to Instagram and Twitter, you can see that WeChat is very popular. Almost every single person in China uses WeChat. That also includes my 90-year-old grandma, who adores WeChat video calls. Alright, so what are the main features for WeChat? We have WeChat Messenger that you could text, audio, and video calling your friends. WeChat Moment, where WeChat user can share their status, videos, and pictures with the selected WeChat friends. WeChat Official Account, one of the most important features for business. It serves as a hub for brands to gather followers, to send targeted content, and service notifications. And of course, this will help the brands to redirect the audience for further actions. I have made a step-by-step guide on how to register a WeChat official account for business as a foreign entity. If you are looking to get started with WeChat marketing to China, don't forget to check this out. I will leave the link in the description box down below. WeChat Channels. One of the latest features by WeChat app. It is a short video platform that allows users to share short videos to all the WeChat users. I have made a comprehensive video about this feature when it came to life in 2020. I'm gonna link the video right here so that you can check it out. WeChat Pay. WeChat Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet. It allows its user to make mobile payments and online transactions. You will be surprised to find out almost every vendor in China accepts this payment method, even vendors from the fresh fruit market. Having said that, WeChat has many more functions integrated within the app. It is not just an app, but rather a lifestyle. From financial services to travels and transportations, from health services to paying utility bills, you can pretty much utilize this app for doing everything in China. WeChat is great for all types of businesses. If your business has the capacity to operating only one single platform in China, hands down it's going to be WeChat. The second app I'm going to cover is called Weibo. In Chinese, Weibo means microblogging. Just like its name, Weibo resembles most of the features from Twitter. People can write posts, share images, and video content, follow different accounts that they are interested in, repost other people's posts, view trending topics. On top of that, Weibo has recently introduced an e-commerce function called Weibo Mini Shop. Brands now can leverage Weibo to do social selling. Sounds great, right? But just like Twitter, the golden age for Weibo is already gone. Although Weibo is a great platform for B2C companies who would like to increase their brand awareness in Chinese market, it is not a perfect place for B2B services or pure e-commerce. TikTok is on fire. The Chinese version of TikTok is called Douyin. Well, I guess it doesn't require further explanation, as it is a short video platform that has quickly become one of the most popular social media apps in China. Unlike TikTok, which has more younger users, Douyin has a wide range of users' demographics. Over 70% of its users are aged over 25 and above, and this highly engaged audience makes this platform much more valuable when it comes to marketing. Douyin has far more features than just short video sharing and live streaming. Its e-commerce function called Douyin Shops allow its users to click links within short videos or during the live streaming session to complete purchase inside the app, well suited to impulsive purchase. Douyin has a wide range of video contents, from music, comedy, to beauty, education, etc. The traffic in Douyin is unbelievable. I started Douyin last year as a content creator. The first video I made went viral and reached 12 million views in China. Hence, I would highly recommend you to get onto this platform to start to convert some traffic into clients. Oh, if you are wondering how I make these viral videos on Chinese TikTok, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know this is a topic I can cover in the future videos. You may not have heard of this app called Red, but you should know it must be something if Kim Kardashian has an account on it. Red by definition is a social e-commerce app, but some people call it the Instagram in China. With the Red app, you can post, share, and save contents, explore and search for the hot topics and activities, shop online without leaving the app, doing live streaming sessions, and of course, follow influencers. Red has over 80% female users, and most of them were residing in big cities. What does that imply? Brands related to luxury shoppings, including high-end jewelries, shoes, clothing, purses, cosmetics, perfumes, as well as luxury travels, are all hot topics on this app due to its demographic. My friend Hamad is a micro-influencer on this app, and I helped him to monetize through this app by using different strategies. If you would like to get to know more about our creators' journey, make sure you check out this group in LinkedIn called the E-Creator Academy that I created, where I will be sharing the tips and tricks on content creation and monetization. I will link it down below. Speaking of e-commerce, it's not going to be complete without mentioning Alibaba. Alibaba owns multiple e-commerce platforms, including the famous Taobao and Tmall. The major difference between them is the vetting process. Taobao as a C2C marketplace has less strict requirements when it comes to starting a shop. Tmall, on the other hand, focuses on B2C and therefore is much more regulated. The key features of these two apps include picture searching function, which allows users to use a picture to search for similar products. Real-time package tracking system. This allows its user to track the shipment from the moment they purchase the product. Alipay integration. Alibaba's e-wallet, an extremely easy and secure way to pay for purchases both online and offline. Ali11 Instant Chat. Customers can initiate chat with sellers directly from the mobile app. Live streaming and social selling, a booming sales feature in China at this stage. Both of these apps have its own pros and cons when it comes to operation. But I believe the major concern for companies overseas is how to get listed on these platforms. Well, although there is no straightforward answer to that, it is still possible to sell through these platforms, depending on the products and services you offer. JD is the second largest online retailer in China. You may have heard it referred to as the Amazon of China. JD has a really strict vetting process. Therefore, it attracts high-quality merchants. The good news is that JD allows companies that doesn't have a Chinese registration to sell to China. I'm currently helping a client's company to set up the sales channel through JD. I'll keep you guys posted once the setup is complete, and I will make a video to talk about the whole process. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out the future content. Alright, if you have made it till this part of the video, that means you are super invested in reaching to Chinese consumers. And at eChina Academy, we love to empower dedicated individuals and businesses. If you are planning to get more information and share knowledge on selling to Chinese consumers through social media, make sure you check out my LinkedIn group called eChina Academy. I'll leave the link down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.